प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? कुशल है ना? प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने एक पार्ट का आधा भाग फिनिश किया, राइट? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दैट लेसन. Today we have to finish it, isn't it? Because we have taken 2 periods for only 2 parts of the lesson. This is the third part I am going to take, ma kids. Okay, ma. This is we are studying about the talking films, right? When it has come. After that, what and all happened in the normal cinema and all started when. So, who is the father of that talking cinema? Yeah, Ardeshir M. Irani, right? He has only started making this talking film. He's the first one who made the talking film. Okay, so what and all he has done, mostly something we learned. Today we are going to continue that lesson. Okay, ma'am? Okay, take your textbook, all of you. सवाक फिल्मों के लिए, that para page number 61, up of that you write today's date 8/2/2021 Somawar. Write on the top of it, my dear kids. Now you know to write, right? So if your ma'am is forgetting to say even, you have to write, okay? We have to follow this way of doing. See that for all the subjects you should do when the ma'am is teaching. If the ma'am is forgetting to tell you to write the date, please point out the date and day. Then it will be easy for you to when the ma'am. After that, it will be easy for you that when you can find out when ma'am has taught that one. Okay, that is very good habit. You have to follow that. Okay, ma'am. So we'll continue the lesson. सवाक फिल्मों के लिए पौराणिक कथाओं, पारसी रंगमंच के नाटकों, अरबी प्रेम कथाओं को विषय के रूप में चुना गया. See in this Savak films, in the talking films, what and all topic he has taken, no? It's like पौराणिक कथाओं, legendary stories and all, and पारसी रंगमंच के नाटकों. Parsi, in Parsi, that stage and all, some dramas and all they'll play, that dramas. Then Arabi Prem Kadao, then Arabic love story and all. So this and all he made us the topic for the film and all. For the talking film, he has added these 3 also: Pauranik Kadao, legendary stories, then the dramas on the stage, then also the Arabic love stories. इनके अलावा कई सामाजिक विषयों वाली फिल्में भी बनी. Except that, what and all also there, that सामाजिक विषयों वाली फिल्में, film which is made with the which is there, he made the films also with the social topics also. What and all happening on the society, that topics also he made as a film. ऐसी ही एक फिल्म थी खुदा की शान. Like that one film only, खुदा की शान. Name of that film, खुदा की शान. इसमें एक किरदार महात्मा गांधी जैसा था. In that film, one character was like Mahatma Gandhi. How is Mahatma Gandhi? Yeah, he is very polite and he is fight towards the British to get independent for us, isn't it? So he has taken one film Khuda Ki Shan. In that one character, किरदार means character, was like Mahatma Gandhi. इसके कारण सवाक सिनेमा को ब्रिटिश प्रशासकों की तीखी नज़र का सामना करना पड़ा. So because of that, because British people was there that time and also it is happened on 1931 after that. So we got independent. When we got independence, yeah, 1947 only got, isn't it? So that time and all, it was our India was under the control of British. So when he was taking this film about the society and this film, the character is like Mahatma Gandhi. So what he want to face means he has to face the administrators sharp eyes and all. It was there. They were very angry towards this directors and all. So they had to face that sharp eyes of administrators, that English British administrators also he want to face. So many struggle after only he has taken the film and all. So then सवाक सिनेमा के लिए दौर के शुरुआत करने वाले निर्माता निर्देशक अर्देशर इतने विनम्र थे कि जब 1956 में मालामारा के प्रदर्शन के 25 वर्ष पूरे होने पर उन्हें सम्मानित किया गया. सी सवाक सिनेमा के नए दौर की शुरुआत कराने वाले निर्माता, दैट ही इज़ द फर्स्ट, ही इज़ द producer and also director of the film Alamara, which is made on the first talking film. Who is that? Ardeshir. He was very polite. He is a very polite person. Vinamr the. जबकि 1956, so Alamara published on 31, right? So 1956 means 25 years after. So that time they have celebrated that one. So they honored that. Ardeshir they honored also. उन्हें भारतीय सवाक फिल्मों के पिता कहा गया था. He was told as the father of the talking film. Father of Indian talking film. He was called as the father of Indian talking film. Okay, so he honored on 1956 when it finished the publishing of 25 years finished after the Alamara. So that time they honored and they given the title as father of Indian talking film. Write the meanings, my dear kids. Pauranik, legendary, Samajik Vishayam, social topics. Then Kirdar, character. Prashasakam, administrators. Tikhi Nasar, sharp eyes. Samna Karna Pada, had to face. Vinamr, polite. Pradarshan, show. Write that. Finished. Okay, then next page. उन्होंने उस मौके पर कहा था, that time when he was honored on and given the title as father of Indian talking film, isn't it? So that time he told on that he was उन्होंने उस मौके पर in that situation he told that मुझे इतना बड़ा खिताब देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't want to you don't want to give me this big title and all. Title what? Father of Indian talking film. He is telling that I don't want to get this big title. You don't want to give me this big title and all. मैंने तो देश के लिए अपने हिस्से का ज़रूरी योगदान दिया है. I have given only a small contribution. Only a ज़रूरी contribution means important contribution, needed contribution. As I have given from my part only. My part, how much I can give, that much only I gave for India. मैंने तो देश के लिए अपने हिस्से का ज़रूरी योगदान दिया है. I have given a needed contribution for our India from my part. That only I have given. So योगदान means contribution. So जब पहली बार सिनेमा ने बोलना सीख लिया, सिनेमा में काम करने के लिए पढ़े लिखे अभिनेत्रियों की ज़रूरत भी शुरू हुई. मीन्स जब पहली बार सिनेमा ने बोलना सीख लिया. सो व्हेन द सिनेमा हैज स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग, व्हाट हैपन, सिनेमा में काम करने के लिए पढ़े लिखे means those who have educated, only need actor or actresses. They need only those who knows to read and write, right? Because they want to read the dialogues and all, they want to say the dialogues and all. So for them they need to know something. So they need the educated person or as the actor or actress. क्योंकि अब संवाद भी बोलने थे, because they want to they want to do the conversation also. सिर्फ अपने से काम नहीं चलने वाला था. Before it was moog, it was silent, right? So that time no need of telling anything. So they can anyone can act on that. But now this is the talking film. So they want to say something. They want to read and tell something. So they need like those who know to read and write, right? So they want to, because they want to they want to do conversation also. Sirf not even, not only they want to act. मूक फिल्में के दौर में तो पहलवान जैसे शरीर वाले, स्टंट करने वाले और उछल कूद करने वाले अपने अदाओं से काम चला जाया करता था. सी इन दैट स्टाइल एंड फिल्म एंड ऑल व्हाट they need like wrestler people and all stand, those who are doing stand or jumping, everything, only that much is enough for that silent film, isn't it? अब उन्हें संवाद बोलना था, but what happened now, they want to talk something. So और गायन की प्रतिभा की कद्र भी होने लगी थी. they want the talent of singing also, so that value also they want. so इसलिए आलम आरा के बाद आरंभिक संवाद दौर की फिल्मों में कई गाय अभिनेता बड़े पर्दे पर नजर आने लगे. See, then because of that what happened, see, those who are having that ability and all, they started coming on the big screen and all, big curtain and all, isn't it? So which is small screen, that nadak, that drama and all, they are playing on the stage and all, they are only small screen, right? Now they started when they called the educated persons for acting in the cinema and all, the people who knows to sing and act and say and act, they also get the chance to appear. They started appearing in the big screen, isn't it? हिंदी उर्दू भाषाओं का महत्व बढ़ा. What happened? Hindi and Urdu languages, the importance of Hindi language and the Urdu language is also increased. सिनेमा में देह और तकनीक की भाषा की जगह जन प्रचलित बोलचाल की भाषाओं का दाखिला हुआ. What happened when Moog cinema was there, when the silent cinema was there, only showing the body and only showing the only need the person, isn't it? Only need the person and also technicians and all. But here what happened, जब जन प्रचलित बोलचाल की भाषाओं का दाखिला हुआ, so many popular languages also got admission here. सिनेमा ज़्यादा देसी हुआ. सिनेमा बिकेम वेरी फेमस. एक तरह की नई आज़ादी थी जिससे आगे चलकर हमारे दैनिक और सार्वजनिक जीवन का प्रतिबिंब फिल्मों में बेहतर होकर उभरने लगा. सो मैनी डेली थिंग्स, पब्लिक, एवरीथिंग हैज़ रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन द सिनेमा एंड दैट फिल्म हैज़ गॉन बेटर, emerged better than before, isn't it? Because of the because of that time they because of what happened, they need the educated persons and also they because of that educated person, the cinema became very good, and also they used the daily things what are happening and also the public things what are happening in the life and the surroundings and all, they started doing that in the cinema, isn't it? Write the meanings, ma. किताब टाइटल, हिस्से पार्ट, योगदान contribution, संवाद conversation, अभिनय acting, पहलवान wrestler, गायन singing, प्रतिभा talent, कद्र value. Then पर्दे curtain, नज़र आने लगे started appearing, महत्व बढ़ा importance increased, देह body, जन प्रचलित popular, दाखिला admission, दैनिक daily, सार्वजनिक public, प्रतिबिंब reflection, उफरने emerge, आरंभिक initial. Write all the meanings on the up of the textbook, okay ma, of the word, that word where it is, you find out the word and write all the meanings. You pause the video and write all the meanings and then you can continue play the video, okay ma. Then next one, अभिनेताओं अभिनेत्रियों की लोकप्रियता का असर उस दौर के दर्शकों पर भी खूब पड़ रहा था. See that अभिनेताओं, that actor and actors popularity also became very plenty more it became, isn't it? Because before and all it was silent. Now if the actor is talking, the actress is talking, so they became so famous in between the viewers and all. माधुरी नाम की फिल्म में नायिका सुलोचना की हेयर स्टाइल उस दौर में औरतों में लोकप्रिय थी. माधुरी named one film was there. In that the नायिका means actress was Sulochana. Her hairstyle that time it was very famous in between the ladies and all. औरतों के में लोकप्रिय थी. It was very famous in between the ladies. Because what the hairstyle of that Sulochana in that film माधुरी. औरतें अपनी केश सज्जा उसी तरह कर रही थी. दैट टाइम एंड ऑल दे यूज टू डू द सेम हेयर स्टाइल व्हाट शी वाज डूइंग इन द सिनेमा. So like that only this was reflecting on the people also what it is happening in the we now also the same only, isn't it? What the actor or actress is wearing, how they are doing the hairstyle like that only you people also are doing it like that, isn't it? So you people also like to do the same. So that time also the same. Sulojana named one lady, one actress was acting in Madhuri and she has having different hairstyle. So that hairstyle that days ladies and all they were following. So अर्देशीर ईरानी की फिल्मों में भारतीय के अलावा ईरानी कलाकारों ने भी अभिनय किया था. In Ardeshir Irani's film, only not only the Indians, Irani people, Irani artists also they started acting on his film. स्वयं आलम आरा भारत के अलावा श्रीलंका, बर्मा और पश्चिम एशिया में पसंद की गई. Not only in India, in Sri Lanka, Burma and also in West Asia. Pachim Asia means West Asia. There also this Alamara became so famous and they liked that film. भारतीय सिनेमा का जनक फाल्के को सवाक सिनेमा का जनक अर्देशीर ईरानी की उपलब्धि को अपना नहीं था. मीन्स दादा साहिब फाल्के, ही इज़ द फादर ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा. दादा साहिब फाल्के. So who is the father of Indian talking cinema? Ardeshir, isn't it? So this what and all Ardeshir is doing, that everything he has to accept. This दादा साहब has to accept. Why? क्योंकि वहाँ से सिनेमा का एक नया युग शुरू होया था. Because of him only the cinema's new era has started. New portion has started from when he started this talking film. That time only this cinema's new era has started. Is a new portion has started. So he has to accept what the Ardeshir has done. Isn't it? Availability has to think about the availability of Ardeshir. Falke, who is the father of Indian cinema? Dada Sahib Falke, who is the father of talking cinema, Indian talking cinema? Yeah, Ardeshir M. Irani, right? So that much only this lesson. You write the meanings also. असर, effect, दर्शकों, viewers, खूब, plenty, केश सज्जा, hair style, कलाकारों, artist, उपलब्धि, availability. Have you understand the lesson, my dear kids? That's nice. So many information we got from this lesson, right? So now you know that who is the father of Indian cinema. Now you know that who is the father of Indian talking cinema. When the talking cinema has started first, before the talking cinema, how the cinema was there, isn't it? First, which is the first talking cinema, and how many days it ran. So everything we know, right? So which languages and all was famous on that time and all, that everything you know, isn't it? Now we can go for the notes. पाठ 11, जब सिनेमा ने बोलना सीखा. 100%, 100%. 100%, 100%. सवाक talking, सवाक talking. विज्ञापन advertisement, विज्ञापन advertisement. पटकथा script, पटकथा script. संवाद लेखन dialogue writer, संवाद लेखन dialogue writer. 100%, 100%. सवाक talking, विज्ञापन advertisement, पटकथा script, संवाद लेखन dialogue writer. Understood? Then पार्श्व गायक playback singer, पार्श्व गायक, प्लेबैक सिंगर, कृत्रिम प्रकाश व्यवस्था, आर्टिफिशियल लाइट सिस्टम. कृत्रिम प्रकाश व्यवस्था, artificial light system. You learn the Hindi word also, my dear kids. If when exam will come in, I'll ask the Hindi also, like what is the Hindi word for artificial light system, like that I'll ask. You have to write Kritrima Prakash Vyavastha, like that. Okay, so that both you have to playback singer, Parshu Gayak. So that like that also you should learn. Then Mukaddama, court case. Mukaddama, court case. Film Udyog, film industry. Film Udyog, film industry. Kitab, title. Kitab, title. Once again, Parshu Gayak, playback singer. Kritrima Prakash Vyavastha, artificial light system. Mukaddama, court case. Film Udyog, film industry. Kitab, title. Then पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता कौन थे? Who was the producer of first talking film? पहली बोलती सिनेमा, बोलती ओनली टॉकिंग सवाक, बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता कौन थे? अर्देशीर एम ईरानी ही पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता थे. ओके, अर्देशीर एम ईरानी ही पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता थे. That round one, that is the full stop in Hindi. Okay, this one. So don't think that what is that. Okay, that is the full stop in Hindi. Ardeshin, not full stop, like dot we will put in between the initials and all. No, that is only this one. They will put like this only. We can't put full stop is another one line that we can't put here. Na? So they are putting like this. So Ardeshir M Irani ही पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता थे. Then second one, आलम आरा फिल्म के पहले पार्श्व गायक कौन थे? Who was the playback singer of आलम आरा फिल्म? Who was it? आलम आरा फिल्म के पहले पार्श्व गायक W.M. खान थे. W.M. खान थे. So पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता कौन थे? अर्देशीर एम ईरानी ही पहली बोलती फिल्म के निर्माता थे. आलम आरा फिल्म के पहले पार्श्व गायक कौन थे? आलम आरा फिल्म के पहले पार्श्व गायक W.M. खान थे. अंडरस्टूड? देन नेक्स्ट वन, नायक के रूप में सबसे पहले किसका चयन हुआ था? Who was selected as the hero first? Who was selected? या नायक के रूप में पहले विट्ठल का चयन हुआ था. First and all, only Vittal was there, right? Isn't it? Because of not knowing Urdu, he was not selected, and Mehboob, they have taken Mehboob as the hero. Then what happened? Vittal has given case in the court and he won the case and he only became the hero of this आलम आरा film, right? So नायक के रूप में सबसे पहले किसका चयन हुआ था? नायक के रूप में सबसे पहले विट्ठल का चयन हुआ था, राइट? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना कौन था? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना को, हु इज़ मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना वकील था. he only was the वकील for विट्ठल, राइट? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना कौन था? मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना वकील था. सवाक फिल्मों के युग में किस भाषा का महत्व बढ़ा? सवाक फिल्मों के युग में किस भाषा का महत्व बढ़ा? इन दैट बोलती फिल्म एंड ऑल हुज विच लैंग्वेजेस एंड ऑल बिकेम इम्पॉर्टेंट? या सवाक फिल्मों के युग में हिंदी और उर्दू भाषा का महत्व बढ़ा. दिस टू लैंग्वेजेस इम्पॉर्टेंस ओनली इंक्रीज्ड ऑन द टॉकिंग फिल्म्स टाइम, राइट? सो सवाक फिल्मों के युग में किस भाषा का महत्व बढ़ा? सवाक फिल्मों के युग में हिंदी और उर्दू भाषा का महत्व बढ़ा. Understood, my dear kids? Learn the notes, do home test. Did you prepare for today's class test? Do the class test and write in a paper and take a snapshot and send it to me, my dear kids. Okay, ma'am? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, or you can call me or text me at any time. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.